Woody, a bomb just went off inside here. It's pretty bad. We've got a lot of firemen down.
10-4-1.
I need somebody here now. We just had a bomb go off in here.
En route to you.
Go ahead.
I got Westfire out on a fire at the West Fertilizer plant. They just advised that something exploded there and they have firefighters down. Can I send anybody to assist? We do have EMS en route.
10-4. Can you show me in front of the 700 block, huh? Let me go.
Where do you show you out 1951? 1 second for me.
Thomas, send me that other.
5122. Subject Carter does not have a CCH.
1 to McLean County SO.
We can go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Do you need for us to respond up there? We do have a ladder truck, but I just heard something about an explosion up there now.
At this point, if y'all have anybody available, I am requesting you. They have firefighters down.
10-4.
Westfire to dispatch.
Fire, go ahead.
Firefighters down. Again, there has been an explosion. There are firefighters down.
The rest home has been seriously damaged. We have many people down. Please respond.
I'm getting you everybody I can. You have deputies, you have Bellmead Fire, you have EMS. I'm sending everybody I got.
What else?
Did you copy my traffic?
10-4, please repeat.
There has been an explosion on the fire scene. There are firefighters down at this time. Again, there has been an explosion on the fire scene. There are firefighters down at this time.
10-4 received. Could you give us directions, please?
Yes, sir. You're going to go to the exit for 2114. Take a right on that, then take a left on Roberts and go up. And then Jerry Montick should be about 4.
Yes, sir. The plan's going to be at the intersection of South Roberts and Jerry Mashik. I know one of the buildings that's destroyed is right down the street from it. I'll get you as many addresses as I can, but it'll give me just a second. I'm trying to get more people en route to them.
30 on 23.
Roberts and Jerry Mashik, it's a huge plant out there, so I think it covers several blocks. If you go to that intersection, you will see a West PD and West Fire unit.
10-4, we'll have units en route.
Westfire to dispatch.
Fire, go ahead.
Triage at the corner of Haven and Reagan Street at the West Haven. All Elmont units report to station immediately. All Downsville units report to the station immediately.